Why is an entry point important in JavaScript bundling? Imagine building a big puzzle. You need to know where to start so all the pieces fit together smoothly. That's what an entry point does in JavaScript bundling. It tells the bundler where to begin analyzing your code. When you write your application, you usually have a main file that kicks everything off. For example, in many projects, that file is called index.js located in the source folder. The bundler uses this as its starting point to understand how all your modules and libraries connect. Without this starting line, the bundler would be lost and wouldn't know what files to include. It's like trying to find your way in a maze without a map. When you set an entry point, the bundler creates a dependency graph. Think of this as a map showing how each file depends on others. It helps the bundler include only the files needed for your app to run. This makes the final bundle smaller and faster to load. It also allows for code splitting. That means the bundler can create separate bundles for different parts of your app. These bundles can load only when needed, which speeds up performance. For example, if you have a large app with a login page and a dashboard, you can load the dashboard code only when the user logs in. Setting an entry point also makes development easier. It helps organize your code and dependencies clearly. When you change your main file, the bundler automatically updates the bundles. Using bundlers like Webpack, you specify the entry point in the configuration file. Usually it's something like /index.js. The bundler then starts analyzing from there, following all the imports and dependencies recursively. If you don't specify an entry point, the bundler won't know where to start. This can lead to incomplete or broken bundles, causing errors when your app runs. So, in simple terms, the entry point is the foundation of your JavaScript bundle. It guides the bundler to the main file of your project. This helps it build a complete map of your code, optimize the output, and make sure everything loads smoothly in the browser. Without it, your code might not come together properly, and your app could break or load slowly. That's why choosing and defining the right entry point is a key step in the bundling process. It's the starting line that sets everything in motion for a successful web development project.